Good day, and we are in Liloy, particularly in Rock Cafe, together with Mr. Joy and Ayan. And this was recommended by a friend, so we are trying it today. Ang gusto lang namin is maligo sa dagat, and we try kanilang mga famous Vietnamese coffee with egg. So gusto namin i-try yan. We'll see. Kasi recommended siya, masarap siya. So we're waiting for the coffee to arrive. Mga friends, this is ang tawag nila On The Rocks Bar and Cafe. Very simple pero very cozy. Yung mga staff nila dito, maybe may-ari yata siguro, is very friendly, courteous. Yung setup nila maganda po, no? Wonderful kind, and not the usual na cafe that you can see. So ito yung kanilang puan, and ito yung kanilang menu, today's menu. We are trying the Vietnamese egg coffee, and bestseller. Maganda po. Now, one thing I like dito is they support local products na they support ng mga binibenta sa other mga tindahan, and they're using just like, for example, toasted bread, simple biscucho that you can buy, tsaka ganito. And so, maganda. Ayan, anong masasabi mo? Ang sadawan. So, enjoy. Yeah. Sabi ko, maganda kasi may mga aso. You can see the beach. Magandang beach. Maligo kami ngayon. Right. Island life.
Don't expect too much, but enjoy simple things. You taste it, and you feel the local, and simple type of tea. Enjoy the moment. No signal and all. It's okay.
Makikita ng wifi sa kanila. And yan yung coffee that we are waiting. Wow. So ano yung nasa loob niya? Alright. Saan ang pangalan mo, sir? Si Red. Okay, so siya yung may-ari, no? On the Rock. Okay, so puntahan nyo guys, when you're in Liloy. Anong barangay ito, sir? Santa Cruz barangay, doon sa dulo. Pagdating nyo doon sa may dulo, mayroong Asulmar. Just turn right, diretso lang. You cannot miss the place. Nasa kanto siya. Aliko. On The Rocks Cafe. Try ninyo ngayon, no? So, Tracy, nandito na kami. Wala ka. Try mo yan. Can you say? There, huh? That's today. So, not the everyday coffee that you're going to taste. So, try nyo na po. Hello. Want to go home with us? Ito guys, ito yung aking second coffee for today.